How to use agents in ElevenLabs.io. So we are on the text to speech. You can go to agents on the left side and you can just create an AI agent. You can use a math tutor, support agent, video game character, or black template. I will go with a blank template and create an agent over here. And you can just type a name, for example, John. I will create an agent, and after that I can see him here. I can choose different languages. I can choose, for example, first message, system prompt, and also LME. That means on which software I wanna basically talk with him, and temperature and everything around it. So you can also do voices. It can talk to you with everything. You can change the voice here with different stability, similarity, and so on. You can also analyze security advanced digit. It's really, really nice. So I will go with the first message as a hello, how are you? And say. After that, I can just test AI agent and I can just call him. Right now is the agent listening. So agent, please tell me how are you?
I am doing well, thank you for asking. How can I help you today?
Today you can find me more information about Donald Trump.
Sure, I can help you find more information about Donald Trump. To give you the most relevant information, could you tell me what specifically you'd like to know about him? For example, are you interested in his political career, his business ventures, or something else?
Today I am interested in politics.
Okay, I understand. You're interested in Donald Trump's political career. To give you the most helpful information, could you tell me what specifically about his political career you'd like to know? For example, are you interested in his presidency, his time in the Republican Party, or something else?
Republican Party.
You're interested in Donald Trump's Welcome Party. Could you clarify what you mean by Welcome Party? Are you referring to a specific event, such as his inauguration, or a more general concept of how he was welcomed into the political scene?
No, I'm talking about Republican Party.
Ah, I understand now. You're interested in Donald Trump's involvement with the Republican Party. That's a broad
Stop
topic,
this
so...
conversation.
Okay, I understand. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
And after that, you can just go back and that's it. That's actual AI agent which you can use. And you can run them on different softwares. For example, Gemini, GPT, or Cloud. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.